My friends, please participate, or I will continue like your boring university teacher.
Are you asking what this create token file is doing? Is that right?
Sorry?
I said, are you asking what this create token file that you're sharing is doing? Is that right?
Yes.
Well, right now it's not doing much, but we're going to have to add the information for it to be able to create the token.
Okay, Tolga. Oh,
Well, I see some React code, I guess. It's written in TypeScript language framework, actually. And I just seen some function definitions. That's all. Yeah, that's all.
Also, we have some user interface. There are inputs and button, and this button, this button use on-click function. Okay.
Yes, I think some basic user interface and some other little functions, I guess, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. And in this function, we have constants, lamp ports, mint key pair to key pair generate, and also metadata PDA. We will skip this PDA part for today because most of us will not learned about PDA yet. Also, we have token associated token account, and also we have token metadata. Okay. Now, first to do is implementing token metadata. Who wants to guess or write some codes here? You can write cohort 1 Discord channel, or you can write in a chat. And just a clue, you can look data v2 data structure.
I'm sorry to interrupt, but may I ask you something?
Yes.
Are you going to upload these recordings after this meeting? And where are you going to record these meetings? I want to ask you that.
Yes, I think we will upload, but I don't know where. We have to ask Patika team.
So it's unfortunate that I need to leave this session, but I want to watch this afterwards. May you like share the link of this meeting on the Discord channel after the meeting so that I can watch it?
Yes, of course.
Oh, thank you so much. Thank you.
No problem.
So see you later for another session.
Thank you. Okay. We will have to do token metadata. Who wants to contribute the coding? Please look data version 2 data structure or data type. And you can write or you can say something, or you can guess. Okay, Aslan. How to set up the environment? Okay, you will clone this repository and npm. After the installation, you should install dependencies with npm install and run it npm run dev. You don't need to run Docker. How npm run dev?
I think she asked for the command line. You want to show us how to do that after clone it?
And sorry?
After clone repository, I guess we use the command line, right?
Yes.
I guess she asked for that, how to use command line, how to npm run, npm install.
Okay, then I have to start from scratch then. Okay, please wait.
No, actually, I know how to use the terminal, but npm run dev doesn't work. I mean, it doesn't run anything. It gives error.
Same for me either.
Oh.
You guys could try Yarn maybe. Yarn seems to work better for me usually.
Yeah.
NPM is pretty bad most of the time.
Yeah. Okay, then try Yarn. To install dependencies. And after the installation, Yarn dev will work.
You don't need to run a Docker container for this. All you need to do is install the dependencies and then run the server.
Yes. And we can wait for you. Melih, why are you running Docker? I don't know. Please ignore the Docker file. Okay, we can continue with token metadata. And who wants to say something about that?
I haven't gotten to creating a token yet, but I assume that you need to put the metadata, the token ATA and the token metadata and the mint key pair, the metadata PDA and the token ATA inside of the token metadata, maybe, and then add that to the instruction, but I could be wrong.
I think the token is SPL token, Solana token library, or Solana program library, and this structure will help you.
Okay.
It passes the parameters name, symbol, URI, seller fee basis points, and creator collection.
Okay.
Like JavaScript object, we can create something like that.
No, actually, its token metadata will be object.
Okay, we're gonna set the values then, maybe.
Yes, and also we will take these parameters from the front end, and they will be just like that. I just
String. We getting the parameters with string or something like another thing, maybe.
sorry.
We will get the parameters with like string formatting or something like different thing.
Oh, I don't think they have types. Yes, they have types, but we don't have to write their types. And you can guess we can take from this from input or form input in the user interface. Also, URI will form metadata, and you can see here they use state, and you can just look from here. Okay, I think we have completed our token metadata to do, and you can follow. And we have creating new transaction to do, and we will have to complete these instructions by writing to creating and minting and creating new token and minting it transaction instructions here. Okay, does anyone has any idea?
Do we do new Web3 transaction instruction?
Mm-hmm. Yes, okay, I will give some clue about that. We will have system program create account instruction. Because of that, we have to create an account for this transaction. Hi, Yusuf. Kaan. Okay. We will look what is create account function and what is transaction instruction.
So inside of this, is that where we do the Web3 transaction instruction?
Yes.
Okay.
First, we will create this this pub key is just a account's public key, and it says what will be, and we are creating with mint key pair and public key function. We are creating a new account pub key, a public key for this account, and this space is just a constant, and Lamport's also Lamport's constant, and we will use the token program ID from the Solana program library. And after that, we will create this function. Also, we will implement this function. And this create another public key, and we will take decimals number, or how many decimals our token will have, and we have public key who own this freeze authority, or who will have the right to mint this token, also public key, and you can look these parameters. Mint key pair public key will create a token mint account. Decimals is just the decimals of token. Mint authority, freeze authority, and our public key and program ID. And it is also token program ID. Also, we will have associated token account instruction will derive from mint account's address, and it will hold the token's balance, and it can be used by transferring your token from one address to another address. Is there any problem to hear?
Why do we have to specify public key so many times in each one of these?
Sorry?
So why do we need to repeat public key so many times in these different like structs or methods? I mean,
I couldn't understand. Sorry.
so why do we repeat public key,
Mm-hmm.
the public key variable, so many times in the method calls that we're doing?
Okay. This I think this can show that. Can you show this pop-up?
I think so.
Yes, instruction. This instruction, yani, create associated token account instruction takes parameters like that,
Okay.
and owner, and I think the public key. This public key just a pair of the initial. Yeah. For example, when you create a token, this public key just will be your wallet address. We will connect from Phantom wallet, and this will be your public key, and associated token address is token ATA. Another public key is owner of this account. You will have this account. Okay.
Okay, I got you. Thank you.
Okay, no problem. Then we created associated token account instruction, and we will create mint to instruction. What is it? Again, we can look from here. Instruction, when we are minting the token, we can specify which account or address will have the initial tokens. Okay, this instruction just for that, and we will give this parameters. Sorry. And this is the amount, the first minting, and we will multiply it just mod power of 10. Okay. And this instruction will mint this amount of token, this address. Sorry, this address. Okay. Was everyone completed?
Can I ask you something?
Yes.
I'm using one monitor and it's difficult to look and write. Can you post this code in Discord channel?
Yes, of course. I am just copy and pasting. This is not a complete code, but
Just for following, it's enough.
yes. After that, we will create metadata account v2 instruction for the just pass our to our token, and this will include just a PDA thing, but we will not learn that yet. We will skip this part. We will be learning about PDA's, program derived address in Solana next week, and we will have another workshop about that. But for now, we will skip it. sorry. We have problem here. Okay, this part is unnecessary. Okay. Did you follow that? Also, I am sending this code from Discord. Now we completed our code, and you can save it if you wrote it. And okay, why we make mutable true? I don't know actually, but I don't know. We can search that. I think it's just an option, and we can make false or true. But if you want, for example, if you want to add some logo to token, or change its name or something, or metadata, it's mutable. Being mutable, it will be helpful. Okay, does everyone wrote this code? And if you finished this code, you can check if is it working from your localhost 3000, and if you have no test devnet Solana, you can airdrop, and you can write token name, symbol, and I think you can skip metadata URL if you don't have any image or something, and you can just write amount and decimals. And when you click create token button, you will have your own token, but Phantom wallet will show it in a minute. Sorry, I don't share my screen. Sorry. Next event will I'm looking. Yes, 23rd. And we will go through the core 4 module. Okay, I'm stopping sharing. Okay. Can you see? Okay. Yes. And if you don't have Solana, you can airdrop from here. And you can write a token name, and we can write anything. I say Berkin, and symbol is BG, and amount will be 20, decimal will be 18, and create token, approve transaction, and after a few minutes you can see your token from here. And this one just before this token. When you refresh it, yes, you can saw it. Why this is one? Okay, I think it's this problem from this decimal problem. Yes, we have it. Okay. Does everyone see or mint their token by using this code? Yeah, okay. 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 This is difficult to understand instructions or their usage, but when you create or use some instructions too many times, you will starting to understand them, and also we will have we will write programs, Solana programs with Anchor, and after this course, you will understand more. And these are not easy problems or not easy topics, and yeah, and it will take time to understand them completely. And now we have time, but we will have a break, just 5 minutes or 10 minutes. I don't know which one do you prefer, 5 or 10. Okay, we will have a 5 minutes break. Then after that, we will mint some NFTs. Okay. And how? No, Efecan, this will not updated, but you can see this code from the cohort 1 channel Discord. Okay. My 5 minutes break. Hi again. First, does everyone hear? Okay. First, from this link, please install the Sugar, and you will be install just one script in macOS Linux, or if in Windows, you will have some extra steps, and we can wait for you. Okay, no, I don't share screen now.
I downloaded it.
Okay, Melih, you can speak. Okay. Currently, I'm not sharing screen. A few minutes later, I will share. If you installed Sugar, please write or say I installed. Also, okay, I will share a little after. And we will mint an NFT, and please prepare an image. It can be anything. It's JPEG or JPG or PNG. It can be anything. Please prepare image that you want. Okay, are you installing still, or everybody has done? Okay, we can wait for Efecan. And while they are installing, please create a directory. Anything. And please open this folder. We will create assets folder for our images, and this method can be used minting multiple NFTs, but for the sake of beginning, we will just mint a one. In the assets folder, please copy and paste your image to your assets folder. This is my dog, and rename it 0.png or JPEG. And also to assets folder, create 0.json, and we can wait for Efecan. Did you install Efecan, or are you continue? Okay, we will continue, and I can send this video or another video for you if you can't catch up. Okay, now I'm sending link. I sent to this Discord channel and also to here, and this there's a okay, this is just a wrong link. I think this correct link is that. You can see there's a metadata 0.json file, and copy and paste it here. Okay. And give a name for your NFT. Description, you can write anything, if can be poem or something else, but it cannot be more than 10 megabyte, I think. But your image can be more than. And I will delete the attributes because I will not have, but you can also write anything and save it. Okay. And files URI says that 0.png. If you have JPEG, you should write correct extension of your file here and here. Okay. Everyone is okay? Okay. Um, after that, if you installed Sugar, please write Sugar launch to terminal. Launch. It says could not load config file. Would you like to create new? Yes. And it asks what is the price of each NFT in the Solana Sol type. And you can write anything 2, 3, or 0.2, 0.5. I will just say 0.5. And it says found one file pairs in assets. And we will see our metadata file. Is this value correct? And yes. What is the seller fee basis points? We say just 500. And it asks about the live date. And we can write future dates, but we will write now. And it asks also how many creator wallets do you have? This is just a multi-wallet. This is just for multi-wallet NFTs, and you can assign up to 4. And after that, if you, for example, if you create NFTs with your friend, and the income of these NFTs or fees of NFTs will will be shared. And we will write 1. Yes, it asks creator wallet address. And we will open new terminal, and we will ask Solana address. You should have Solana. If you don't have Solana, you have to install it. And it gives our address. And we can copy and paste it here. And royalty percentage share for creator, 100. Okay, is there any problem? Yes, it is easy. NFT minting or token minting is easy. But it is I think token and NFT is also token, are easiest thing in Solana. Another things are just very difficult. Because of that, most of the Solana projects are NFT projects. And we will say SPL token mint. Yes, what is your Sol treasury address? This is for income or selling. We will write our address, copy and paste. And we have some storage methods, and we will you can try anything, but we will go with bundler. Yes, retain update authority on your NFTs. Yes. Do you want your NFTs to remain mutable? We highly recommend you choose yes. And I think Jem asked it. Yes, this mutable is just because these are tokens which have 0 decimals with metadata. We say yes. Do you want to continue without automatically setting the candidation collection? Yes. And we are waiting the initializing of sugar. Okay. Are you did it or did you done? Oof. I am dropping a link for a few minutes later. Please, please click this link and change the mainnet beta to devnet. Okay, if you are ready, we have Candy Machine and Candy Machine is used for NFT minting, and we will just write sugar mint number 1. Okay, are you ready? And enter. It is minting our NFT. Yes. And this transaction signature is ready. Copy and paste this transaction signature to Solana Explorer. Okay, I will share screen. Also, I will send this Explorer to cohort 1 channel. Share screen. And when you open this Explorer, please change to this devnet. You can change also testnet, mainnet. And after that, you please copy and paste, copy and paste transaction signature. And we are here. And you can see this account inputs. You can see token balance and instructions. Yes, these are can be familiar to you. And NFT is also token in Solana with 0 decimal. Yes, we created system program, create account instruction, initialize mint instruction, associated token program. And they have inner instructions, also token program mint2, and it differs from here. It create Candy Machine, and also it has some inner instructions. Now we can skip them. You can check all of things here. And okay, we will have our token address here in token balance. when we click this token address, we have our metadata from here, as you can see, and we actually minted our NFT, Metaplex NFT, by using Sugar and Candy Machine library with Metaplex. This is CLI application. You can do it also just using JavaScript or TypeScript for your client side. Also, there are some applications for that, but I think easiest way to mint NFT is that. Okay, can everybody see their NFTs? Who wants to screen share and share their NFT? Is there any problem?
My Sugar install isn't really working, so I'm trying to figure that out on my own. But
Okay. I think I can send a YouTube video which I recorded this all and this just same as what we have done.
thank you. I'll have to do that.
Yeah. Then is there any problem or does everyone did it? Okay. Is there any problem or question? And we can end this office hour or meeting if you have don't question. But I will. Yeah.
Can we access these records after the class?
Sorry.
Can we access these records?
Yes, you will be, but I will ask where, from where, and I will send or Sena will send to you the link of this office hour.
So it's private. Okay.
I don't think it is private, but just for cohort will be private. I don't know.
Since I was late, I want to follow up
Mm.
on the records.
Okay, you will have access to them.
Thank you.
No problem. And also, I have a question. Is there anyone have a project idea for this bootcamp? The final project idea.
I have an Web3 gaming idea for the final project.
Did you search Unity and Web3 Solana, and can you find anything about that?
Yeah, I find some resources, but I think I'm not gonna use Unity. I'm gonna use Solana's own game SDK for the final project.
Oh, okay. Solana have its own SDK for gaming.
Yes.
Okay, it's great. Also, another person who have project idea. Okay, thank you, Jen. I will look. Oh, yes. Okay. I think there is no question or idea. Then we can end up this office hour. Thank you for participation. See you next week.
Thank you. Good evening.
Good evening.
Thank you.
Bye bye.